Tara's Amazon haul for the 8th of March.
Yes, I ordered some more toys for my last of my toy budget. Because why not?
Because it gets in the budget. The toys budget.
Oh my gosh.
What'd you get?
This one is Happy Corner. This is a flower shop. I forget the guy's name. Emily's Flower Shop.
Emily's Flower Shop. Oh my gosh. Whoa.
Nice.
How'd you like to live in that place? Oh, look, it's got the rolls for the foil for the roses and stuff. Wow. Detail on this thing.
Yeah. Funny. Okay. Oh, this one's going to be fun. This is has a two underwater.
Hawaii.
Yeah.
Whoa,
and above water.
Above water in a house below water.
Yes.
If that were even possible.
Ages 14 and up. I'm assuming that there's a screen, like this is supposed to be like a windowed area underwater.
Yes, like reinforced like aquarium glass.
This one is called
Sam's DIY house.
Sam's Study.
So this is like a series of them. You did the plant house.
I did Cathy's greenhouse.
Cathy's greenhouse.
This is
Sam's Study. This is the one with all the books that you're like, oh, there's gonna be a lot of books.
But I want to do the books.
Oh my gosh, there's so many books.
This one I've always wanted to do because I gave away my other library one.
You did.
This one is a new
Who'd you give the library one to?
Our friend Anne.
Anne, yes.
And then this one is like I wanted to do another greenhouse.
So those are the same series. This is a different one. This is Unihobby.
Yeah.
This is new. We have not done the Unihobby one before. Cool. Here's the one that Tara did before. And here's the greenhouse that she was talking about. Cathy's greenhouse.
I have one on my shelf too.
So we're going to give away.
This one is going to be Carl's Fruit Shop.
Carl's Fruit Shop. Let's see what kind of fruit. Whoa, he's got carrots. They're not fruit. Cauliflower.
Yeah, where's the fruit?
Potatoes. I don't even see any fruit. It's a vegetable shop. But anyway, it's Carl's. So, you know, Carl can do whatever he wants.
I wanted to do a kitchen one. This is Nancy's Bake Shop.
Oh, gosh.
Yeah.
Sale on stuff.
And that is all the...
Floor.
I surveyed all of these kits and all of the book nooks. And now this rounds out all the different types.
Yeah,
everything
so
else,
you seem to like this particular series, though, the Rolife.
Yeah, and I do like the book nooks, but I'm kind of like, this is my third book nook type thing, only this is a fold out, so this opens up.
Yeah.
So they're fine, but I kind of dig the more three-dimensional. The big one that I have that I will save for last to do is this gigantic dollhouse. Which it doesn't show a picture.
Yeah, it doesn't really show a
but
picture.
It's Cute Bee. It's this giant...
You did a Cute Bee before.
Yeah. Oh, that was the original library.
Yes.
One, but this Cute Bee...
That was like a fantasy library. It had like
Cute Bee one
fantastic elements to it.
This Cute Bee one is this.
Cute Bee, wow, that's pretty intense. That's a lot of layers.
This is many floors.
That's going to take a while.
Yeah, and that's like special.
All right, cool. Well, that's a lot. So we got 5 today in the mail. You got one on hold here, and then we got, these guys going on. You got one going on here.
For a good year. This will be good for a good.
Oh, these take you about a week to do.
Yeah, but I won't. After these, I'll be done. I'll be making my own.
Yes, this is research to do your own patterns, and who knows, maybe even throw one at Rolife or Unihobby and
because I'm gonna have my own
Cute Bee and
saw.
See if we're gonna get a scroll saw from a friend, and then see if we can maybe make a pattern that they might want to sell.
Yeah.
Cool, baby.
Yeah.
Good job.
Fun.
All right.